Editing the HTML of your Blogger template allows you to fully customize your blog's layout, design, and functionality. Here's how to do it. Access the Blogger dashboard. Log into your Blogger account and select the blog you want to edit. Go to the Theme section. In the left sidebar, click on Theme. Edit HTML. Under the Theme section, you will see the current template applied to your blog. Click on the Edit HTML button, which opens the template code editor. Customize the HTML code. In the HTML editor, you will see the entire code for your blog's layout, including the header, footer, posts, and sidebar sections. You can add or modify the HTML code to change things like navigation menus, meta text for SEO, custom widgets or elements, JavaScript for functionality. For example, to change the title, look for the title tag and edit the content between the tags. Preview and save. After making your changes, click the preview button to see how the changes look. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save to apply them to your blog. Be careful. Always back up your template before editing. You can do this by clicking the Backup or Restore button in the Theme section.